There are YouTube channels making $30,000 a month with no face, no expensive cameras, and zero personality. While most creators are burning out chasing trends, a new group of ghost creators is quietly extracting millions from the platform using automated content machines. These channels are run by people you'll never see, yet they generate more income than most personality-driven creators. This isn't about luck, it's a system. In this video, I'm giving you two things. First, the 10 most profitable faceless niches right now. These aren't just ideas. These are data-backed sectors where advertisers are literally fighting to spend money. Second, the exact step-by-step action plan to build one of these channels from scratch using a specialized AI stack that handles the research and the production for you. Pay attention because we are going to look at the exact mechanics of why some channels fail while others hit $100 a day in their first month. Niche 1. First, we have business news and company breakdowns. Instead of chasing general news, you focus on the titans, Tesla, Apple, or Amazon. You aren't just reporting, you're explaining why a stock moved or why a CEO made a calculated move. Because these viewers have massive purchasing power, premium advertisers like HubSpot and Shopify will pay a massive premium to be on your videos, giving you some of the highest payouts on the platform. Niche 2. Next is the fastest growing niche of 2026, AI tool tutorials and workflows. People aren't just looking for tools anymore. They're looking for a bridge to stay relevant. When you show a workflow, like how to design a brand in 10 minutes using AI, you aren't just giving information. You're providing a valuable guide. People watch every second because they're desperate to keep up, leading to unmatched retention. Niche 3. If you want the highest CPMs available, look no further than personal finance and credit card reviews. Banks are the biggest spenders on YouTube, and a simple video comparing the top 3 travel cards can earn 5 to 10 times more than a comedy video with the same views. The key here is using clean data and sharp visuals to simplify complex financial terms for an audience ready to spend. The fourth niche is perfect for those who prioritize watch time: mystery and true crime. Narrations are king. The retention here is almost impossible to beat because humans are wired for closure. By using atmospheric music and cinematic storytelling, you can build incredible tension without ever showing your face, keeping viewers locked in for a long time just to see the final twist. Niche 5. In 2026, the world is obsessed with living longer. The health and wellness niche, specifically longevity science, is growing at a high pace. By summarizing scientific papers or the latest health hacks, you provide life-changing information. This creates a deeply loyal audience that stays for the duration of the video because the stakes, their health, couldn't be higher. Niche 6. If you want to build a true passive income stream, software tutorials for products like Excel, Notion, or any AI tool are a goldmine. These videos are evergreen, meaning a tutorial you record today will still be solving someone's problem 5 years from now. It's a slow burn strategy that builds a massive recurring library of views over time. Niche 7. You can also step into the world of luxury real estate and architecture tours without ever owning a single property. By utilizing stock footage from listings or architectural renders, you're creating eye candy for your viewer. This niche attracts high net worth viewers, making it a magnet for luxury brands that want to associate with your aesthetic. Niche 8. If you prefer a more cerebral approach, look into psychology and human behavior. Explaining why we lack motivation or the hidden psychology of persuasion hits a universal chord. By using clean stock footage and a compelling script, you keep the viewer focused on the message, making deep, heavy topics feel accessible and viral. Niche 9. Geography and dark history have seen a massive resurgence. By exploring forgotten cities or the hidden history of a country, using Google Earth zooms and historical archives, you can make a faceless video feel like a high-budget documentary. These videos trigger deep curiosity, often leading to massive suggested video loops. Finally, there's productivity and deep work systems. Summarizing books like Atomic Habits or breaking down high-performance routines works because of a psychological productivity high. People feel like they are improving just by watching, leading to the high save and share rates that the YouTube algorithm loves to reward. Now you know the best niches to enter, but a niche is just an idea. Success comes from the execution. To build a channel that actually pays you, you need a repeatable system. Step 1 starts with the video idea. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Look at your competitors and study their highest performing videos. Take their successful concepts and proven title formats, then put your own unique spin on them. When you have your video idea and title, it's time to write your script. Start with a powerful hook at the beginning of the video, a powerful opening to stop the scroll, and you must maintain that energy throughout the entire script to keep your retention rates high. Next is the production phase. To keep your costs low, starting out, you'll need to match the style of your niche manually. If your competitors use stock footage, you'll spend your time on sites like Storyblocks for the right clips. If you're doing tutorials, you'll need to record your screen using OBS. For those whiteboard animations you see everywhere, you'll have to master software like Video Scribe. Finally, you have to optimize. You'll need to manually write your descriptions, research the right tags, and tweak every setting in the YouTube studio to ensure the algorithm knows who to show your video to. That is the manual path. It works, but it's a massive time investment. So, what if you don't want to do everything yourself? What if you don't have 40 hours a week to spend on research and editing? If you want to move faster and skip the manual grind, you need the tools that give you an unfair advantage. This is exactly why I use an efficient AI workflow for my videos from start to finish. Instead of guessing what might work, a tool like vidIQ tells you exactly which titles and ideas are trending in your niche right now, so you never waste time on a video that won't get views. For the writing phase, I use TubeMagics. It handles the heavy lifting of scripting, ensuring your hooks are sharp and your retention stays high without you having to stare at a blank page for hours. And when it comes to the actual video production, vidAI is the ultimate shortcut. You simply paste your script and it builds the entire video for you, automatically finding the footage, syncing the voiceover, and handling the transitions in minutes. I've put the links for vidIQ, TubeMagic, and vidAI in the description so you can start using this automated system today. These tools do the heavy lifting, but owning the tools is only half the battle. If you want to see exactly how I connect these systems to scale channels to thousands of dollars, without the typical trial and error, you need the full strategy. I put together a complete YouTube automation course that covers everything from advanced monetization to a step-by-step video production guide. It's 100% free, and it's the exact roadmap you need to go from zero to a full-time income. The tools are in the description, and the full course is right here on the end screen. Click it, watch it, and start building. I'll see you in the first lesson.